What up, guys? Let's talk about meal prep today. So, meal prep is basically preparing your meals in advance. Now, I think this is one of the most important aspects of being successful with your fitness and bodybuilding goals. Every bodybuilder knows this, but not a lot of people know this. Now let me explain. If you want to lose fat, get ripped, get shredded, get big, you have to have a certain protein intake, a certain calorie intake. Then you spread your meals out. But the fact is, a lot of people have regular jobs. They don't have the fucking time to eat whatever they planned, right? A lot of time life comes in the way. So they miss their meals, they eat something easier, some junk food, something that's very easier to consume. And they fuck up their progress, they quit, they give up, and then they start over again. And it's a never ending cycle of starting, quitting, and never fucking finishing. And that's gonna break you fucking mentally. So, a way to prevent this, and this is basically the only way I know to really get shredded, to really achieve your fitness goals 100% guaranteed. Until I started to do this, I couldn't see any results. Until I started to do this. And this is fucking meal prep. Tracking your macros and meal prepping. So preparing and planning all of your fucking meals in advance. Only that is gonna make you achieve your fitness goals. Because now you have the advantage over life. Anything that happens, you still have your meals. That's why you see all of these bodybuilders having meals in Tupperwares. Having 7 meals prepared in the fucking fridge. Now, I'm not saying you should do that, but you should have a general plan or some prepared quick meals you can have. That's the only way to really achieve your fitness goals. Get an app like MyFitnessPal. Start tracking your macros, weigh everything out. But really, the meals you're not gonna finish, really prepare those meals in advance. You really have to, like, the biggest mistake I did when I started, I would log everything, the time I ate it. So, when I got to my last 2 meals, I was missing calories. I had too much calories. Now I still had a few meals left. It was all just fucked up. Maybe I came home from work tired, not in the mood. I ate something else because I didn't want to prepare that. So that's when meal prep comes in. So track your calories, weigh everything out with a kitchen scale, with an app like MyFitnessPal, and prepare the meals in advance. And that's the only way to succeed. Prepare. Because I almost guarantee you're not gonna log everything the same time you eat it every single day. You're gonna do that for a few days, a week or two, but after that, you're not gonna have the time. Life will get in the way, and you're not gonna do it, and it's gonna fuck up your goals and your progress. So prepare your meals in advance. It's gonna help you tremendously. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. It helps me tremendously. Peace out.